Add designer background in PowerPoint. Let's first get the image. So I'm using the snipping tool. You can find it by typing in the search bar and typing after snipping tool. And click on new. Let's take an image. Now we have our background. Right click right here. But you can also use Ctrl V. Now let's stretch the image out to fill the whole thing. I'm just going to use this filter over here. Or you can stretch it out normally. Here, like I described before the next step. Click on the image. Then click Format, Picture. Then click on this picture icon, logo, whatever you call it. Go down to transparent. Set this to 80. Remove the 0 and set it to 80. Now we got this, very cool. Now we need to add a text, whatever title you would like to have. So up here, click on this one right here. You click one time, and then you can write tile. I'm gonna write Hootridge. And now to make this more cool, we are going to take all the text, double click on it, then choose a other size you would like. I'm gonna choose a big one because again it's a tile. So again you can do that. I'm gonna move it, and then we are gonna add a different font that will fit it. We're gonna click up here. And personally, I like very different ones. But I like Arial. Black is one of my favorite ones to use. And again, there's a lot of other things that it doesn't fit perfectly. Haven't seen this part, go see this part. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.